Ever wondered why your grandma used to add cloves to her secret recipes? Or why clove tea is becoming the new wellness trend? It's not just for the unique flavor, but also the myriad of health benefits these tiny spice buds offer. Clove tea, a warm, aromatic beverage steeped in tradition, is gaining popularity worldwide. But it's not just a comforting drink for chilly nights. This humble brew could be your ticket to a healthier life. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of cloves and clove tea. We'll explore the science-backed benefits and why you might want to consider adding this to your part of your daily routine. Stay tuned and prepare to be amazed by the power of this small but mighty spice. History and origin of cloves. Diving deeper into the intriguing world of cloves and clove tea, it's crucial to understand the roots of this wonderful spice. What are cloves? Cloves, botanically known as Syzygium aromaticum, are tiny aromatic flower buds. They're native to the Molucca Islands or the Spice Islands in Indonesia. A prized commodity since ancient times, their distinctive shape resembles a small nail or a spear tip. When dried, cloves assume a dark brownish black hue and emit a strong, sweet, and somewhat pungent aroma. These tiny spice buds are known globally for their culinary applications and medicinal properties, which are particularly prominent in clove tea. Historical uses of cloves. In terms of history, cloves have been exploited by different civilizations in multiple ways. The ancient Romans and Greeks used them in cuisine and as an expensive luxury item, while in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, cloves were revered for their antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. The Chinese also used cloves as a breath freshener for those who were granted an audience with the emperor. In the 15th and 16th centuries, the Europeans waged resource driven wars to secure control over the Spice Islands, exhibiting the immense value they placed on cloves. This historical narrative reinforces the profound role cloves have played, a legacy that persists today, particularly in the increasing popularity of clove tea. Nutritional profile of cloves. Cloves, derived from the aromatic flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, aren't just renowned for their flavorsome and medicinal qualities. They also have nutritional values, offering essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Key vitamins and minerals. Cloves serve as an excellent source of several vitamins and minerals integral to your body's overall health. A 100-gram serving of cloves provides 82 milligrams of vitamin C, 142 milligrams of vitamin K, 9 milligrams of vitamin E, 632 milligrams of calcium, 259 milligrams of magnesium, and 1,000 milligrams of potassium. Cloves' vitamin C content plays a vital role in boosting your immune system, ensuring your body's effective response against disease. For bone health, cloves offer calcium and vitamin K, both widely recognized for their role in bone formation and strength. The magnesium in cloves supports muscle function and nerve transmission, while potassium contributes to maintaining proper heart and kidney functions. Antioxidants in cloves. Cloves excel in their antioxidant capacity, housing compounds that help curb oxidative stress. One particular compound, eugenol, demonstrates high antioxidant properties. Regular inclusion of cloves in your diet aids in the fight against chronic disease by minimizing damage caused by free radicals. According to the ORAC scale used to measure antioxidant levels in food, cloves rank exceedingly high. Their ORAC score stands at a staggering 314,000 units per 100 grams, which towers over many other antioxidant-rich foods. Overall, regular consumption of cloves and clove tea helps to fill nutritional gaps while providing potent antioxidant protection, instilling a forest of positive impacts on your overall well-being. Health benefits of cloves. Building on their rich nutritional profile and antioxidant content, cloves offer an array of health benefits. Harnessing these advantages often entails incorporating cloves or clove tea into your daily routine. Now, let's dive deeper into the specific benefits of this potent spice. Digestive health. Consuming cloves stimulates your digestive enzymes, aiding in digestion and reducing issues such as bloating and gas. For instance, cloves have been found to increase gastric secretion, thereby facilitating digestion. Incorporating them into meals or drinking clove-infused tea could help ease common digestive discomforts. However, remember, it's no instant remedy. Consistent use over time renders these digestive benefits. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Acting as a potent antimicrobial agent, cloves have shown effectiveness against bacteria and fungi. Studies reveal that the essential oils found in cloves, especially the compound eugenol, inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria such as E. coli and pathogens causing fungal infections like Candida. Incorporate cloves into your dietary regime as a natural method of fending off these destructive agents. Liver protection and antioxidant effects. Cloves demonstrate positive effects on liver health mainly due to their abundant antioxidant properties. By combating harmful free radicals, antioxidants in cloves help in mitigating cell damage and reducing inflammation. A study indicated eugenol, the main component in cloves, has potential liver protecting effects. So, drinking clove tea or using cloves in your meals is beneficial for maintaining liver health and overall well being. As always, consistent use yields the best results. The advantages of drinking clove tea every day. Achieving good health might just mean a warm cup of clove tea for you. Your day to day routine can highly benefit from this beverage. Let's look into the outstanding benefits. How clove tea boosts immunity. Drinking a soothing cup of clove tea daily, and you'll experience an immunity boost. As a rich source of antioxidant compounds, clove tea helps combat oxidative damage notorious for harming your cells. A 2017 study in phytotherapy research substantiates these claims, stating that the antioxidants in cloves significantly enhance your immune function. Cloves, therefore, equip your body to fight off common illnesses, keeping you healthier for longer. Potential benefits for oral health. Sip on clove tea for an oral health upgrade. Cloves possess remarkable antibacterial properties that specifically target oral pathogens. A study in the Journal of Oral Biology and Craniofacial Research confirms they are effective against harmful oral bacteria, reducing the risk of dental issues like cavities and gum disease. Additionally, eugenol in cloves acts as a natural anesthetic that aids in relieving toothaches and sore gums, making clove tea a great addendum to your oral health arsenal. Effect on blood sugar levels. Clove tea could offer a sugar control solution for you. A 2012 research work in the Journal of Natural Medicines unearthed the significant role cloves play in managing blood glucose levels, thereby helpful in suppressing diabetes symptoms. Compounds in cloves are seen to slow the activity of enzymes that metabolize sugars in your body, thus helping stabilize sugar levels. So integrate clove tea into your diet, keeping your sugar steady. How it can promote bone health. If you're looking for a mean to boost your bone health, then take clove tea into consideration. A 2012 study in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry reveals that eugenol-rich cloves stimulate the production of bone-building cells, improving bone density and strength. Cloves are an excellent source of manganese, an essential nutrient involved in bone formation. This in-depth understanding of daily drinking clove tea empowers you to gather its maximum health benefits, helping you lead a healthier, well-balanced life. Focusing on optimal nutrition undoubtedly has tremendous payoffs, better immunity, oral health, blood sugar control, and superior bone health being among the top. How to make clove tea. Having established the benefits of cloves and cloves tea, it's essential to know how to prepare it yourself. Brewing clove tea is not complex, and you can certainly perform this task in the comfort of your kitchen using simple ingredients and basic tools. Ingredients needed. First, gather the ingredients for the tea. For a basic clove tea recipe, you'll require 6 ingredients. Cloves, use about 1 tablespoon of whole cloves. Water, about 2 cups of water. Honey, add a natural sweetener. Adjust as per your taste, usually 1 teaspoon does the trick. Lemon, 1 lemon slice can enhance the flavor and contribute additional health benefits. Ginger, optional. Add a few slices to enhance the taste and add more health benefits. Tea strainer, a tea strainer to filter out the cloves from the resulting brew. Step-by-step brewing guide. Boil. Heat the water in a pot until it reaches boiling point. Add the cloves. When the water starts to boil, add the whole cloves and ginger if using. Simmer. Lower the heat and allow the cloves to simmer for about 15 minutes. Strain. Once the water has turned a brownish color and the scent of cloves is noticeable, strain the tea into a mug using your tea strainer. Customize. Add honey and a slice of lemon to taste. Enjoy. Sip your delectable cup of clove tea and reap its health benefits. Brewing and drinking clove tea is both easy and beneficial, a testament to its astounding medicinal history and robust health benefits. Possible side effects and precautions. Getting acquainted with possible side effects and precautions is essential before incorporating clove tea into your day-to-day routine. When to avoid clove tea. There are particular considerations when the consumption of clove tea isn't recommended. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, err on the side of caution. Likewise, if you're about to undergo a surgery, it's better to avoid cloves as they may slow blood clotting. Their intake ahead of surgical procedures might increase the risk of bleeding. Furthermore, people with bleeding disorders should veer away from cloves as they impede blood clotting. Consuming cloves can exacerbate these symptoms. If you're using medication for liver diseases or health conditions that affect blood clotting, consult your healthcare professionals first. They may have interactions with these substances causing potential harm to your health. Recommended daily intake. While there's no universally agreed upon daily doses of cloves, studies suggest that moderation is key. Consider incorporating 2 to 3 cloves into your diet daily, equivalent to drinking a cup of clove tea. This provides a discussed health benefits without prompting adverse side effects. Bear in mind that this is a general suggestion, not a specific prescription. Everybody's body reacts differently to ingredients and substances, so the suitable intake may vary. Above all, listen to your body. If you observe any discomfort or abnormal reaction after consuming clove tea, it's advised to limit or discontinue use and consult with your healthcare provider. So now that you've journeyed through the rich history of cloves, explored the health benefits, and even learned how to brew a soothing cup of clove tea, you've seen how incorporating these potent spices into your daily routine can aid digestion, combat bacteria, help your liver, and pack a powerful antioxidant punch. You've also discovered the perks of sipping clove tea every day, from strengthening your immunity, enhancing oral health, regulating blood sugar, to promoting bone health. But remember, while cloves and clove tea offer numerous benefits, they're not without potential side effects. It's crucial to heed the precautions and consume them in moderation, keeping in mind your individual tolerance. With this knowledge and this video, you're now equipped to make an informed decision about incorporating cloves or clove tea into your diet. Here's to a healthier you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tips.